Hello, and welcome to Wallace Branch Library 12 Days of Christmas Crafting. My name is Sandra, and today we're going to do a DIY gift cup. And the items you'll need to do this DIY gift cup: foam wrap paper, some ribbon of your choice, a pair of scissors. I got some iridescent tinsel to go inside the cup. I got a stress duck. I got an ornament. Some hand sanitizer. Some hand lotion. I got some chocolates. Some cocoa mix. A pair of cozy socks. Some more chocolate treats, and a tag for the cup. I got a latte mug, big and cozy latte mug. I got the reindeers from one of our other Christmas DIYs, and that's all you'll need for this craft. So let's get started making your DIY gift cup. Okay, the first thing we'll do is just move all the stuff to the side and get our cup stuffed with our tinsel. And you can just put as much or as little in there as you like. And we're gonna stuff it in there and have just a little hanging out over the sides. Next, we're gonna put our tallest item in there. And I think I'll fold that tag back and kind of have those socks kind of sticking out the back, just out the front of the cup just a little bit. I think I'll put my tallest item to the back, like my chocolate. And then I'll put my cocoa in the front. Kind of space it out a little bit. I'll put my hand sanitizer to the side. My hand lotion, kind of nudge it down in there. Let's take that out and kind of put this to the side, maybe back in here. Kind of like sort of fit. And we'll put our hand sanitizer here. And we'll space that out. Put our stress duck and put him here, and our hand sanitizer here. We'll stuff one reindeer down in this side. We'll stuff our other reindeer. This is what our cup looked like so far. We got everything stuffed in it except for a few more chocolates to go in the front and maybe on the side. And that's what our cup is going to look like. I'm going to set our cup to the side and get our cellophane cut. Now I have already cut a piece that's large enough for this basket. So I cut a piece that's about a yard long. And I'm going to go ahead and set our cup in the center part. I'm going to pull my corners up first. I'm going to tuck these ends that's sticking out. I'm going to just tuck them, fold them in on the inside. I'm gonna loosely gather everything. And this is what it's pretty much gonna look like, all except for my little owl has fallen. I'm gonna stuff him back up there. There we go. I'm going to loosely tie this. Or you can put a piece of tape around it until you can gather it. I'm going to hold that in place with a chenille stem until I can tie it off. Next, I'm going to put my bow on. And I got this chenille stem on it. So all I got to do is take this stem and go around the bundle and twist it really tight in the back. And fluff my bow back out. And we can take that first stem off because we don't need it. Or you can just bury it down inside of your basket or put a tag on it. In fact, you can just pull it down to the bottom and put your tag on it. We'll leave it here. We'll just leave it here and put our tag on it. And fluff your bow back around. Now the ornament, I'm gonna just take the ornament in the side inside here. In fact, that's it on that, and just take that around to the back and just twist it in too. And then you can do your Santa tag the same way. Let's put the Santa tag on, the to and from tag. And just twist it on as well. And there you go. Every gift cup that I've ever given for Christmas has been very appreciated. So I hope your person love your gift cup as much, and all of the de-stress and relaxation stuff that comes inside. We did utilize our little reindeers that we did earlier in an earlier DIY. We got them inside of the basket. We got hand sanitizer, a stressed duck inside, chocolate, cozy socks, and we got a latte mug that they get the drink out of.